my name is Vina Caldestina, and today I will present my intermediate grammar, Project 1. The definition of compound complex sentence. Compound complex sentence is a combination of a compound sentence and a complex sentence consisting of two or more independent clauses, like and, but, or, so, and however, and more dependent clause connect by subordinating conjunction like because, although, when, if, or since. The form of a compound sentence and a complete sentence are combined in this sentence, where independent clauses are independent while dependent clauses are dependent. On the main phrase. In a single cohesive sentence, the structure enables rise to express a variety of concepts and demonstrate their logical connections, such as cause and effect, comparison, condition, or time. Here the basic structure: dependent clause plus independent clause plus independent clause. If independent clause plus independent clause plus dependent clause. Function of compound complex sentence. First, to show complicated relationship between ideas. It helps express how different action, causes, or conditions are connected in a single sentence. Number 2, to add depth and detail. By combining clauses, you can include background information or reason without breaking the flow. Number 3, to make writing more varied and sophisticated. Using this type of sentence prevents writing from sounding too simple or repetitive. Number 4, to express contrast, cause effect, or time relationship clearly. It shows when or why something happens while linking multi-type main ideas. And then type of conjunction. In coordination conjunction, there are and, but, or, so, and yet. If the subordinating conjunction, there are because, also, if, when, since, while, and another. And the cause and effect. The sentence is, because the internet was down, the teacher canceled the online class, and the student relaxed at home. Functional and grammatical pattern. First, they are dependent, because the internet was down. Independent 1, the teacher canceled the online class. Independent 2, the student relaxed at home, and the conjunction is because and I. Contrast. The sentence is, although the movie was long, I enjoyed every scene, but my friend fell asleep. Functional and grammatical pattern. Number 1, dependent. Although the movie was long, and independent 1, I enjoy every scene. Independent 2, my friends fell asleep, and conjunction, there are although and but. Time relationship. The sentence is, when the bell rang, the students packed their bags, and they left the classroom quickly. Function and grammatical pattern. Dependent, when the bell rang. Independent 2, the student packed their bags, and independent 2, they left the classroom quickly. And conjunction, there are when, and then, and. Condition. The sentence is, if it rains tomorrow, we will stay at home and we will watch a movie together. Function and grammatical pattern. Dependent, if it rains tomorrow. Independent 1, we will stay at home. Independent 2, we will watch a movie together. And conjunction, if, and. Why compound complex sentences are common in academic writing. In academic writing, complex sentences are frequently employed by they enable authors to convey several concepts and logical connections in a single statement. They improve the text, coherence, formality, and logically flow, all essential components in academic style. According to data from the Corpus of Contemporary American English, or COCA, compound complex sentences frequently appear in academic writing because they allow writers to connect multi-type ideas in one coherent structure. And then there are part 2 study case. Part 2, page 1, complex compound sentence. The sentence is, because the teacher was late, the student wait and they start the class by themselves. First, identification clause. Dependent clause is, because the teacher was late. This clause cannot function as a complete sentence because it begins with the subordinating conjunction because, which makes the independent. And then independent clause 1 is the students waited. This clause can stand alone as a complete sentence because it conveys a complete meaning. And then independent clause 2, they started the class by themselves. This clause also stands alone as a complete sentence because it conveys as a complete meaning. Number 2, conjunction check. In the subordinating conjunction, it because, and if the coordinating conjunction, it's and. The sentence demonstrates a combination of compound and complex structures where the compound elements are joined by coordinating conjunction and the complex element is introduced by subordinating conjunction because. Grammar justification. The sentence qualifies as a compound complex sentence because it has two independent clauses. The student waited and they started the class by themselves, joined by a coordinating conjunction and one dependent clause that because the teacher was late, introduced by the subordinating conjunction is because. To make the sentence correct, because the teacher was late, the structure waited and they eventually start by the class by themselves. And then here are the syntactic tree or clauses structure. Because the teacher was late is dependent clause. Then here are the student waited and eventually start the class by themselves. The students waited is independent clause 1 and is coordinating conjunction. They eventually start the class by themselves is independent clause 2. Here are the grammar books and the journal. Part 2, study case number 2, dangling constructions. The sentence is, walking through the park, the flower looked beautiful. Number 1, identify the problem. The sentence is grammatically incorrect because it contains a dangling modifier. A dangling modifier is a phrase that text is thus not clearly identify the subject it meant to modify. In this sentence, walking through the park seems to describe the flowers, but flowers cannot walk. Therefore, there are logical grammatically mismatch between the modifier and the subject. And then identify which noun should logically be modified. The one who is supposed to walking in the park is a person, not the flowers. Therefore, the correct subject should be a human pronoun such as I or we. And the correct version is walking through the park, I saw the flowers look beautiful. In revised sentence, the participial part is walking through the park. Now as clear and logical subject is I. This indicates that the action of walking is performed by speaker, not by flowers. Consequently, the sentence becomes grammatically accurate and logically coherent. The grammar justification. According to grammatical theory, a participial phrase must have a clear and direct relationship with the main subject of the sentence. If this relationship is absent, the modifier becomes dangling, which means it does not logically attach to any specific subject. As a result, it creates a dangling modifier, a common grammatical error that leads to ambiguity or confusion in English writing. Before and after comparison table. Here the before or error. Walking through the park, the flowers look beautiful. After correct, walking through the park, I saw the flowers look beautiful. Modifier, walking through the park, no logical subject. Modifier, walking through the park, modifs I. And the problem is juggling modifier to illogical meaning. Fixed, clear subject to grammatically and logically correct. Here are the grammar books and the journals. Part 2, study case number 3, compound sentence. The dictionary has two sentences. A. The manager approved the proposal, but the director rejected. B. The manager approved the proposal because the director was busy. A student argue that both sentences are compound, but another disagrees, saying sentence B is not. Let's analyze table. Sentence A. The manager approved the proposal, but the director rejected. Analysis has two independent clauses joined by a coordinating condition is but each clause can stand alone as a complete sentence. The type is compound sentence. And then B. The manager approved the proposal because the director was busy. Let's analyze. Has one independent clause plus one dependent clause joined by subordinating conjunction is because the dependent clause cannot stand alone. It's type complex sentence. Grammatical difference. A compound sentence linked two or more independent clauses using coordinating conjunction such as and, but, so, yet, for, nor, or. A complex sentence, however, combines one independent clause with one or more dependent clause using subordinating conjunction like because, also, if, when, since. Example of compound sentence using different conjunction and, but, so, yet. First, here are and. I want to go for a walk and my friends decide to join me. Number 2, but. I want to buy the red dress, but it was too expensive. Number 3, so. He was feeling hungry, so he made a pancakes. Number 4, yet. They were tired, yet they kept working until midnight. And then here are the grammar books reference and journal reference. Clause by clause breakdown. Sentence A. The manager approved the proposal, but the director rejected it. Clause. The manager approved the proposal. Type independent clause. Can stand alone? Yes. Conjunction use. There are no conjunction use. Clauses, but. Type coordinating conjunction. Can stand alone? No. Conjunction use is but. The director rejected is clause. Type independent clause. Can stand alone? Yes. And conjunction use. There are no conjunction use. Both clauses are independent. This is a compound sentence. Here we go. The sentence B. The manager approved the proposal because the director was busy. Clause, here are the manager approved the proposal. Type independent clause, can stand alone, yes. Conjunction use, there are no conjunction use. Clause, because the director was busy. Type dependent clause, it cannot stand alone, and the conjunction use is because. Only one independent clause plus one independent clause. This is a complex sentence. And then here are the synthetic evidence. The manager approved the proposal, but the director rejected it. The manager approved the proposal is independent clause 1, but is coordinating conjunction, and the director rejected it is independent clause. Both independent clauses are joined by coordinating conjunction, but forming a compound sentence. Thank you. Maybe that's all from me. And thank you.